ਇੱਕ ਓਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਅਜੂਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ। God is everywhere and in everyone. He is truth, immortal, creator, without fear, without enmity, unborn and self-created. This understanding comes by the Guru's grace. Let's discuss topic froth flotation process of unit. Froth flotation process. This method is used for low-grade sulfide ores. For example, ZNS, PBS, HGS, and CuFeS2. In this process, a suspension of the powdered ore is made with water. To it, collector and froth stabilizers are added. The mineral particle become wet by oil while the gangue particle wet by water. This is the principle for this method. What is the method? What it does, a rotating paddle wheel agitates the mixture and draw air into it. As a result, froth is formed which carries the mineral particles. The froth is light and skimmed off. It is then dried for recovery of ore particle. Let's have the animation. We have a container in which some water is added and we are seeing paddle wheel, steers pulp and rotating paddle, and here we add ore and pine oil. This paddle rotates and agitate the mixture and added air in it. Now air is coming from up to down due to this moving paddle wheel. Ore pulp and pine oil is added from air and is seen the particle of ore pulp and pine oil are coming here and they will come and move to the mixture here which having the gangue particles settling downward because they are wetted by water and the ore particle are lighted. They are carried at the top with froth and the froth is skimmed off into a separate container where it is washed and collected in different container. Note 1, collector, for example, what are the collector? Pine oil, fatty acids, xanthate, etc. Enhance the non-wettability of ore particles. Froth stabilizer, cresol aniline stabilizes the froth. Note number, it is possible to separate two sulfide ores by adjusting portion of oil to water or by using depercent. For example, in case of ore containing ZNS and PBS, the depercent used is NaCN. It selectively prevents ZNS2 from coming to the froth but allows PBS to come with froth. हिंदी में सुन लीजिए जो डिप्रेसेंट की मदद से दो सल्फाइड और को भी अलग करना संभव है। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर जेड और पीबीएस इकट्ठे हैं और के अंदर तो क्या करेंगे, हम NaCN ऐड करेंगे। NaCN जेड को फ्रोथ में नहीं जाने देता, उसको सोल्यूशन में ही रखता है। पीबीएस फ्रोथ में जाता है और दूसरे बर्तन में स्कीम्ड ऑफ कर लिया जाता है। इस तरह से दो सल्फाइड और सेपरेट हो जाती हैं। जो पाइन ऑयल है, फैटी एसिड है, नंबर 1 में दिखाया है, इनका मेन काम है फ्रोथ बनाना। दीज आर द फ्रोथिंग एजेंट्स। थैंक यू। समराइज कर लीजिए एक बार। मेनली जो फ्रोथ फ्लोटेशन प्रोसेस का प्रिंसिपल है और ये किसके लिए यूज़ होती है, एग्ज़ाम में पूछा जाता है। तो ये लो ग्रेड सल्फाइड ओर के लिए यूज़ होती है। इसका प्रिंसिपल है ओर पार्टिकल आर वेटेड बाय pine oil while the gangue particles are wetted by water. Again principle, lighter ore particle are wetted by pine oil while heavier gangue particle are wetted by water.